Yo, today I'm gonna show you guys how to get free TikTok coins. Look at that. I got so many coins, bro. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So let's get straight in the video, bro. So what you want to do is just go to this site right here and type in TikTok, and then we can download the TikTok coin mod. So as you can see, it says TikTok coins mod. So press on that and it will start the download. So as you can see, it's like downloading right here. I've already downloaded this obviously, but for you guys, just let it download. And as you can see, it's downloading right now. So that's how you get free TikTok coins. Let me just go on the App Store and just show you guys how expensive it is. Like, bruh, let me just go to the in-app purchases and you can see that it is super expensive. So I would not buy TikTok coins if I were you, because they are way too expensive. But I'm going to see you guys in another video. So yeah, be sure to subscribe if you guys like TikTok, because I have so many TikTok coins now. Oh my gosh, look at that. I have so many. So yeah, this is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this is super insane. And it fully works, by the way. So personally, I think a lot of people don't even know about this, but yes, there is a new way to get free TikTok coins right now. So be sure to try it out for yourself because it's super cool and it fully works, guys. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it because it's super awesome. And you don't have to jailbreak your device or anything like that, which is great. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool and it fully works. So yeah, that's pretty awesome. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video. But yeah, I mean, if you guys want to get free coins on the TikTok, then be sure to try this video out because it is super awesome, guys.